Want to learn how to create a seamless Plaid Procreate brush? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Print Collection, the place where I share the best ways to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is one of the tutorials of the texture series Plaid Edition. In a previous tutorial, I shared how to create a plaid seamless pattern using the Procreate app, and in this tutorial we are going to use that texture to create a seamless Plaid Procreate brush. If you haven't and would like to watch the previous tutorials of this series or just grab the Procreate brush or pattern, the links will be in the description below. Let's create a seamless Plaid Procreate brush that you can use for your digital art. With the texture that we've created in our previous tutorial, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here on my actions and copy Canva. Now let's create our brush. I'm gonna click here on the plus sign, and the stroke path, it's gonna be 15%. Stabilization, everything will be turned off. Taper, leave it as is. And the shape over here, let's change the shape source. Let's go to import, source library, and select this soft brush over here. Click on done. Leave the other settings as is, and now this is where the magic happens. So I'm gonna change to texturize, and I'm gonna change the grain source. I'm gonna paste the texture that we've created here, and I'm gonna click done. Now, as you can see, we have here our texture, and now I can adjust my scale. So let's go with 15%, depth maximum, multiply, leave the other settings as is. In rendering, let's change to intense bleeding, leave the other settings. Wet mix, this is not a watercolor, so I'm gonna turn off these settings. Color dynamics, leave as is, dynamics as is, Apple Pencil as is, and properties as is. And now over here in about this brush, you can click over here and name your brush, Plaid Brush. And here you can add your name. And we are done. Let's test our brush. I'm gonna add a new canvas over here, paint it with white, add a color. Let's go with this green, and there you go. And we are done. We have created a seamless Plaid Procreate brush with the plaid pattern that we've created in the previous tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are gonna use gradient maps to add some color to our plaid texture. If you like Plaid Procreate brushes, make sure to check out my full Plaid Procreate brush set, or just grab a sample from the set. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations.